Hello guys, today we will show you how to hide featured image in WordPress Post 2023. Featured images, also known as post thumbnails, are images that reflect the type of post or website that is being displayed. People always use a WordPress theme to give their website the best possible look. Almost every WordPress theme has a featured image option. Some themes don't have a featured image option. Today I will show you how to use a plugin to instantly hide your featured image. I'll go through the top 3 plugins in detail. You can also do it manually, but I think you will enjoy this process if you are not a techie. So let's start the video. Method 1. How to check does your theme have options to hide featured images. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Go to All Posts. Click on Edit below your post. Now you see the Post section on the left. Find the Featured Image option in the Posts section. If your theme has a featured image option, then you can hide the featured image from here. For those who don't have a featured image option in their theme, don't be disappointed. There are options for everyone. Method 2. How to hide featured image in WordPress Post with plugin. In our list, our number 1 plugin is Conditionally Display Featured Image on Singular Posts and Pages. Install and activate the plugin. After activating the plugin, go to the post. On the post, you will find the option that says Display Featured Image in Post Lists Only, Hide on Singular Views. To hide the featured image, check the box and hit Update button. Quick Featured Images is the second one. Go to Add a new plugin and search by the name. You just need to install activate the plugin. After activating the plugin, just go to All Posts. You can see featured images showing here. You can remove the featured image from here. Hide featured image is the next choice. First, install and activate the plugin like the previous 2. Then go to All Posts. Click on Edit below your post. Find the Featured Images section. Here you will see a tick box that says Hide Featured Image. Check the box and hit Update button. One of the most essential parts of your WordPress blog should be the featured image. It's the first thing a visitor sees when they land on your blog. If the featured picture isn't visually appealing, your visitor won't want to stay. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any queries regarding this issue, feel free to ask them in the comment box. And if you like the video, give a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.